Do you want to start making money online as a Nigerian? Join me in this video as I show you how to start making money online as a Nigerian using this Nigerian website known as Hawkit. Let's go into the video. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification and like this video.
You want to start earning money through affiliate marketing? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money through affiliate marketing and through selling on the marketplace on Hawkit. So what you want to do is to go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. Type Hawkit. So this is Hawkit. You click on download, and once it is downloaded, as a new user, you will click on sign up. You enter your full name, your referral username, and then click on sign up. You will also be asked to put your new password. So you will use my referral link and the referral username to sign up. You will also be asked to put your new password. So you will use my referral link and the referral username to sign up, but this referral username is optional. So once you have logged in, to access this app, you need to first of all register, and once you register, you'll be taken into the platform. Let me show you how to start making money on this app, and I will show you around different interface of this app. So from home here, congratulations, you are a new member. Your membership has been activated successfully. You can now earn daily by posting adverts and performing tasks on your social media account. Click the button below to start earning by generating your next task. You can perform as many tasks as possible. So as you can see here, I have starting error. So what you're going to do here is to click on earn. Once you click on earn, you will see this info. How do you want to earn today? Perform social tasks and earn daily, or refer and earn big. I will still come to refer and earn big, but let's click on perform social tasks and earn daily. So once you click on that, you will see that there are various things, various activities that you can do here to earn money online. So the information here says that earn steady income by posting adverts on businesses and top brands on your social media page. To post adverts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, you must have at least 1,000 followers on your social media account. So if you have up to 1,000 or 1,000 followers on your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, then this job is for you. Simply click on select here. You'll be required to add your Facebook account. So you click on this link here to add your Facebook profile link. So once you click on this link, go to your Facebook, get your Facebook profile link and click it here. Then click on link account. Click on link account and your Facebook account will be automatically linked. Post adverts on Instagram. Now you can select Instagram, and what you just need to do is either like a page or follow that page, and once you do it, you'll be given 100 naira. This is a simple way of making money. 100 times 1,000, you'll be getting 100,000. Sometimes you can get up to 100 a day. Okay, for example, if you get up to 100 of this job, you are getting 10,000 naira every day. 10,000 naira every day. So this is a simple way of making money online. By the time you get 100 of this post adverts, you'll be getting 10,000 naira every day. You can see here, post adverts of various businesses and top brands on your Twitter page and earn 100 naira per advert post. To perform this task, you must have at least 1,000 active followers to be eligible for this task. So if you are an advertiser, this plus icon is for you. You want to click on this plus icon, advertise on hawkit, advertise on social media. So what you will do here is, if you want to if you want people to advertise for you in their social media page, you will click on this link, advertise on social media. But if you want to advertise directly on hawkit, you want to click this link, sell anything faster on hawkit. Now the message says here, sell anything faster on hawkit. You can now advertise and place your product stroke services in the front of thousands of people that use our website and mobile app every day. Benefits you get for placing your adverts on hawkit include high advert views, social media adverts, interact directly with your buyers, and low advert costs. So from high advert views, we have at least 10 million monthly visits on our website and mobile app due to thousands of people that use our platform. So they have 10 million monthly visits on their websites and mobile app due to thousands of people that use their platforms. Now you can imagine the high number, 10 million monthly visits every month. So you can see the business opportunity in hawkit. Take this opportunity to advertise on hawkit and start making money. Social media adverts. We do not only leverage on our website traffic, but we also advertise your products and services to other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. This will give your adverts a wider audience reach and impression that will lead to massive sales. You can interact directly with your buyers. You can contact your buyers or client directly on hawkit, either through the in-app chat features or via WhatsApp. Your buyers can contact you directly, either via call or WhatsApp, thereby giving you massive sales, low advert costs. This is where it sounds interesting. You will only be charged 1,000 naira per advert placed, and you'll be able to enjoy all the amazing advertising benefits mentioned above. If you are a registered member of hawkit, your first advert placement is free. So if you are a new member here, you can start now. Advertise. If you're a new member on hawkit, they give 1 month free, 1 month free for you to advertise on their platform. So take this opportunity and start advertising. Place whatever you sell on hawkit now and start making it online. So I've already used up my first membership, and I have also advertised for 1,000 naira. It's just 1,000 naira. It does not cost you more than that. 1,000 naira every month. But if you are a new member, take this opportunity. Link. If you are a new member, take this opportunity. Click on my link in the description and sign up in hawkit and start selling on hawkit and start making money online. So let's go to market. Let's go on hawkit. So this is how the marketplace on Hawkit looks like. So we have different categories here. We have health and beauty. If you're into health and beauty, you can start selling your items here. Health and beauty includes lipstick for ladies, creams, powder, and the rest of them. Grocery, phones and tablets, baby products, computing, fashion, electronics, home and office, books, movies and music, and other categories. So one interesting thing I want to show you on Hawkit is how to place your withdrawals. You will not just only make money on Hawkit, but you can also place your withdrawal. You can also place your withdrawal. So my wallet balance here is 30 naira. Maximum withdrawal amount is 19. The maximum withdrawable amount is 19. So because I have only 30 naira here, they said the maximum number or the maximum amount I can withdraw is 19. But if I have up to 25,000, then it will be a higher number. So Hawkit takes a little percentage and leaves the rest for you. So this is how to make money on affiliate marketing. The next thing I will want to show you is how to make money through affiliate marketing. Refer and earn big. You can start making money through affiliate marketing. We are currently running a promo that gives you additional cashback and welcome bonus of 200 naira to new members. This offer lasts till 30th September. So click the link now to earn. If you want to earn, click the link now. Once you sign up with my link, automatically you will earn 200 naira into your account for free. You can use this to purchase airtime. You don't have to do any work. Just simply click the link in my description, log in or sign up to your Hawkit account, and you'll be automatically given 200 naira.
If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification and like this video.